Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your midweek check-in. First, I wanted to kick off this check-in by reminding you that next week we have two optional, safe, in-person class sessions on campus outside the library. Um, there's a stretch of grass where there's a statue of someone doing a back bend or something gymnastic like that, and we'll meet right around there. And the first meeting will be on Tuesday, the 22nd from 2 to 4. And the second one will be Thursday, the 24th from 12 to 2. And those are optional, so if you're able to and want to attend, I would love to see you. We'll be sitting on the ground, so bring whatever you need to be comfortable. I'll be marking spots that are at least 6 feet apart. Please wear your masks. I know we're outside and you'll be 6 feet apart, but just for extra safety, please wear a mask. We'll be reviewing body paragraph structure. We'll look at a model body paragraph, and then you'll have a chance to work on body paragraphs 1 and 2, and I can help you with that, even from 6 feet away. And feel free to come for as little or as long as you're able to come, okay? I said RSVP in Canvas. I think it's easiest if you just send me an email saying that you can come. Then I can plan for how many people for how many spaces I need to mark out and stuff like that. Okay, here's what's up the rest of the week. You should be working your way through this module. The first thing that's due is on Friday. You're putting it together. Part 2 is due. That will take putting it together part 1, which had a topic sentence and 2 seed harvests. And you're going to be, having watched the PowerPoint about power structure, you're going to add to that paragraph by adding some pre-harvest explanation and then also a wrap up at the end. And that's due Friday the 18th at 11 p.m. In a moment, I will come back and show you a sample pre-harvest explanation, but right now I just want to review what's due. On Sunday, September 20th, your check-in number 4 is due. I'm just asking you how it's going, what I can help you with. And then on Monday, the 21st, your thesis statement is due. And really make sure that you've read the essay prompt and watched the short video about working and not working thesis statements before you write and post your thesis statement on Monday. Okay, so those are the due dates. If you want to know the due dates for the whole essay, they're down here, essay 1 due dates. Please don't work ahead on the essay. It really won't help you to work ahead. You'll end up having to redo a lot. Okay, I'm going to show you a sample pre-harvest explanation if I can find it. Hang on a second here. Oh, there it is. Okay. This is a sample pre-harvest explanation. A pre-harvest explanation just offers a tiny bit more detail about your topic sentence, and it's a really great place to put in a personal example and to share a little bit about your life, and that makes your essay so much more interesting to me and to other readers too, I'm sure. So this is not a real story about me, but it's just a little sample that I wrote. I'm going to read the topic sentence and then my pre-harvest explanation. Some people say we should have the right to be forgotten because although we make mistakes, we also have the ability to evolve. I can relate to this myself. For example, in high school, like many, I wanted to try a little of everything, including going to wild parties. That is totally not true. I won't go into all the details of those days, but I will say that I'm very lucky none of it's captured on camera. Still, even if it were, it wouldn't feel fair to judge my 46-year-old self by my 16-year-old self's actions. Okay, so that's it. Just a few sentences. Let's see how many sentences is it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 4 sentences. Just adding a little bit of detail to the topic sentence. And then immediately after that are the 2 seed harvests that you've already written. I did offer comments about your seed harvests, so please use that as an opportunity to revise them. The biggest challenge in people's seed harvest is really common, and it's that your seed harvest and your topic sentence don't match. So for example, if you say that we shouldn't have the right to be forgotten, or some say we shouldn't have that right to be forgotten because the internet remembers everything and it's impossible to be forgotten, then both quotations that you use need to show how the internet hangs on to stuff forever. Sometimes we get a little sidetracked, especially when we get to our second quotation. And it's really confusing for a reader, though, if you say, the point I'm going to prove is this, and then the testimony that's offered by your witness doesn't match the point that you said you were going to prove. Okay, so I wrote about that when I wrote back to you with your seed harvest. So please revise those as you work on your full putting it together paragraph that's due Friday. Okay, that's it. I'll see you soon. Bye.